In this video, we will deploy an AI chatbot on Ampere A1 shapes on OCI using Minikube, demonstrating the effectiveness of ARM-based CPUs in generative AI applications. The configuration included the Ampere A1 Flex shape equipped with 64 CPUs and 360 gigabytes of memory. Our chatbot application, which is sourced from an open repository and hosted on OCI's container registry, was deployed using Kubernetes. We exposed the application on a public IP, making it accessible via the internet. This setup allowed us to evaluate popular open source large language models, including Llama 2 and 3, Mistral, and Orcus, among many more. However, our mission extends beyond deployment. We're passionate about empowering users to explore and experiment with their own AI models, images, and deployment strategies on OCI's Ampere instances. Our deployment model accommodates a wide range of configurations, supporting custom YAML files and allowing users to leverage images hosted on OCI's container registry or other open-source repositories. Join us in harnessing the power of OCI to drive your AI innovations forward.